We are pleased to show you the 2019 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote engine start, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD. Your new ride is just a phone call away.